Located on a sloped 22,863 square feet plot, the 8 house features a native forest at the rear, shaping its design to comply with building setbacks, preserving a grassy garden and a pool at the back, and respecting the buffer distances required by environmental regulations. Designed by renowned architects Bertoldi and Felipe Chimanski, it stands out for its harmony with the natural surroundings and the elegance of its contemporary lines with a brutalist touch. At the entrance, a black metal parapet features 2 circular cutouts, marking the number 8 of the property's address. The ground floor plan, shaped like an L, concentrates the social areas, service spaces, and a studio. The most striking feature is the double-height volume dedicated to the home's living areas, situated in the shorter arm of the L, which has only 1 level. The social areas of the house, with glass walls on all sides, benefit from morning sunlight on the side facing the pool and afternoon light from the facade facing the street. To ensure privacy, the openings on the west side begin at just over 10 feet above the floor level. The quest for slender proportions in the roof slab and the exposed concrete sidewalls is achieved through 2 inverted beams that connect these planes without touching them. The result is the impression of an exploded volume composed of detached panels that allow light to penetrate at varying angles. A large prismatic block of exposed concrete hovers above the social area and extends outward toward the forest, ending in a cantilever of just over 16 feet. This block contains the intimate living room and the remainder of the private areas of the house. The exposed concrete structure and enclosures do not touch the ground. The masonry walls built on the terrain are clad in gray ceramic bricks, creating a textured and volumetric contrast with the lightness of the exposed concrete elements. The longer block of the house comprises 3 floors, beginning with the garages in the basement, service areas on the ground floor, and bedrooms on the upper floor. The bedrooms were strategically positioned to face north, ensuring natural lighting, while the master suite faces east, offering views of the forest.